What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. So I just want to jump on here and show you a trade I just entered real quick on Euro pound. It actually arose immediately, so I managed to get everything done, and now I'm just clicking record. But basically, we've got a pretty simple setup here, right? We've got a huge overall higher. Ooh, moving stuff around there. Let's go to the 1 hour, 2 hour. That'll do. We've got a supply zone here. Okay, so if we go to the 30-minute. Got a nice supply zone. You can see price pushed down from this point, and yeah, we broke structure and created this sort of new downward push. Price has rocketed up today, and we've just come up into the zone. We've just taken out all the fair value gaps here. This white line is the top of the last one. We may have missed it by like a pixel there or something, but hey, I like the way that this big candle was looking on the 30 minutes, so I dropped down to the 1 minute. So I was a little bit late on taking an entry on the 30-minute, and I found this fair value gap here, which is just below a 1 minute supply zone, which pushed price down and actually broke and closed below this low here. Okay, so we've now pretty much created a new significant low, and as price came up here, I managed to get an entry on this candle, which pushed down bearish, and we're basically looking for price now to continue to the downside, where we could potentially come and take out this demand zone here. And potentially go further. Now, if we look at the area here, I don't think this demand zone is going to hold up. It may give some resistance, a little bit of a push up, but I don't think it's going to hold up too well, because this is, if we go down from here to here, this is above the 50%. I think if we're going to have any demand zone that's going to do anything that good, it's going to be either this one here, as you can see, strong buying pressure here, this one here, or coming down to here, or completely taking them all out and continuing to the downside. So pretty simple trade, super low risk trade as well. We've only got a 2.9 pip stop. We're going to go for our first TP down here, which is a 1 to 3 for 8.7 pips, and we're just going to let this ride and see how we do. So yeah, I'll come back if we get some more info and hopefully a little bit more of a push. I'm going to take potentially our first TP down around the tops of these highs here, just here, so above these little wicks. So I'm going to go here, not for a 1-to-1. I'm going to try and give it a little bit more breathing room to see if we can get some more pips there. So let's see how it goes, and we'll come back in a minute. Alright then, guys, so jumping back in, and we have now hit our first TP, which is awesome. We've taken 80% of the profit, and we're leaving 20% to run with a stop loss at break even. So we are now risk-free trade, and we can just let this thing run for the rest of the day. Basically, it is Friday, so I will stop it probably around 6 o'clock or so. I'll let this run, and I'll come back later with the potential result. So let's see. Good result. Alright guys, and there we have it. We have closed out the trade. After we just had this big push down, I closed out, which is about a pip above what I originally had our profit target at. I just wanted to get out of the trade, because why not? And that little bit was not going to make too much difference. So very happy with this trade. Worked out lovely. We had little to no drawdown, had a couple of pushes up, and then price just rocketed down. We took our first TP here, stop loss to break even. We came down, broke through, and yeah, just tapped out and closed out in full there for a nice 8.5 pips. So that's the trade. Super simple. Just basically price action, just seeing what's going on and following it, and just keeping it simple. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.